Hello and welcome. How is everyone doing? Hope you are doing well. Lot of pump happening in the market today. Throughout the day, gold, look at gold, big pump happen. Oil dropping now, but yeah, we saw a nice big pump over here getting rejected from 76.5. Nice pump there. Same with the euro. Tesla showing good moves. Of course, market will open in the next 2 minutes. Bitcoin also showing some moves. Finally, got above 17,000 after a long wait. Let's open up the dollar index also. Yeah, so even the dollar index you can see is showing some correction. Of course, that is the reason why market is pumping. But yeah, overall you can see the market has shown some huge pump recently. So that is something we have to consider for today, starting of the week. Probably market will continue its pump upwards. I think similar thing we saw happen before also is when market started to pump, and when the CPI data announced, that is the time when they dumped the market. So yeah, similar thing can happen again. We cannot ignore that possibility. Quite possible. So let's see if we are able to find some nice trades. The stuff is in the all the charts are in the middle of, like, they're not at support, they're not in the resistance, they're right in the middle, waiting for NASDAQ to open. I think market will open with a gap towards the upside because the futures were in the green today. So yes, market might open towards the upside. This is the future itself. You can see we are in the green today, so NASDAQ will open with a gap towards the upside. Gold also getting rejected. Where is this? 1880 roughly. Yeah, that is from where we are seeing a rejection on gold. Let's see if oil might provide us with some nice opportunities today. So market is open, and as you can see, market has opened with a gap towards the upside. Tesla has opened quite high, so probably a nice time to open some short position here. Just quickly take some advantage of this situation. Yeah, gold is fine. Yeah, you can see the gap. So yeah, market open with a gap towards the upside. That is good for us. Very good for us. Oil, no change at open. Euro USD, no change at open. Tesla, yeah, we are hoping to catch a short over here. But overall, you can see market is pushing upwards. Market is trying to go towards 11,500. Actually, that is what it's trying to do. In my opinion, I think that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to take it to 11,500 before the CPI data is released, and maybe that is the time when they might think about, causing some drop. So yeah, that is quite possible, and it's not a remote possibility because this has happened previously also. It's normal, they have done this before also, so we shouldn't be surprised if that happens. Even if I go to the 4-hour chart quickly, let's go to the 4-hour chart. You can see that the RSI is starting to rise now, 55, and you can see that 11,300 is the moving average, next one around 11,500, and we are bouncing from this support. So yeah, quite possible, cannot ignore that possibility. But for now, let's see what is happening. Okay, this one got stopped, no problem. We will try again. Where is NASDAQ? Yeah, showing nice pump, opening with a gap towards the upside like mentioned before. Gold, not much happening on gold. Let's check oil, trying to pick up, but yeah, not much happening. Euro USD, where is dollar index? Let's see. Yeah, dollar index getting rejected. That is the reason why market trying to pump from here. And yeah, Tesla trying to go towards that $120 area and getting rejected from there currently from $120. But yeah, overall, let's take a look at this. How much is this market open with a gap of roughly 0.89% up? So yeah, very aggressive move from the market. Like I mentioned, 11,500 can happen this week before the CPI data. That has been the trend before also, that they pump the market throughout the week, and when the CPI data comes out, then there will be a dump in the market. So yeah, that is possible. For now, maybe 11,200 can happen. That is possible. Let's take a look at gold. Nothing much. US oil dropping hard. Euro USD not much. Tesla stuck in the middle. Bitcoin showing some drop. Dollar index stuck at the moving average. Let's try to open a short here. Let's take another chance somewhere here. Not much, maybe around here. Yeah, and then we will see what happens. Because like I said, there's a chance that market will try to go 11,500. So maybe today 11,200 can happen. So yeah, that is possible. Also, as always, you can mention in the comments if you want me to look at some specific thing, then I can take a look at that. Or you think there's a good trade setup out there, you can mention that also. Yeah, Bitcoin is showing some drop, not a lot, but overall, yeah, 17,227 right now. Finally getting above 17,000, but running out of steam. 17,500 maybe might happen this week. Then again, CPI data is there that might push the market down. So we have to keep this scenario in our mind. We cannot ignore this possibility. Dollar index tried to create a local double bottom, trying to pump from here, but again getting rejected from the moving averages. Overall, quite a significant drop on the dollar index. We have seen that happen recently. So yeah, you can see market opening in the green today. Let's take a look at Tesla, stuck in this range, getting rejected from 120. Yeah, oil is going down, not able to hold 75.7 level. Straight away got rejected here. But overall, you can see a very nice pump happened recently. Look at this. How much? Almost 4.5% on oil. So yeah, very impressive move on oil overall. We are seeing some correction. Maybe it will try to test 78, 79 level in this week. That is possible. So yeah, on the minute chart, we can see NASDAQ went up till how much? Around 85 RSI. So very aggressive open now, showing some, trying to come back down to find some support before pumping again. And that is what we have placed this trade here. This is a short trade. We are hoping that during this downtrend, during this uptrend, when the market is trying to come back down to find support, we might get some profit out of this. This is the idea behind this trade. Not much happening on gold, although recently again we can see very aggressive pump on gold recently. Let's take a look from here to here. It's almost 2.5%. So yeah, good pump happening on gold also. Bitcoin not much. Dollar index stuck here also. So yeah, we are seeing that the market is trying to come down a bit, maybe try to find some support before continuing upwards. Let's take a look at Apple also, coming back above 130 now. So yeah, nice move on Apple also recently, from roughly $125 to 130. Again, 5.5 some percent there. But really, and as you know that I think it's 26th January or 27th January, earnings will be released for Tesla. So that will be a big event. A lot of people are talking about, like, they are short on Tesla given that they are facing problems with production and deliveries and all those things. So maybe we'll see that 100 level. Again, Bitcoin trying to get above the moving average but struggling. We are hoping for the NASDAQ to come back down somewhere around here in this area and then try to pump again, and that is when we might get our take profit. So that is possible. And let's go back to oil. Euro USD. Yeah, very strong moves we have seen recently. Tesla 118. Nice pump on Tesla from, what is this, $102 roughly. But yeah, overall we are seeing the market is trying to push towards 11,500 in this week, probably before CPI data. That is quite possible. Dollar index again not able to cross the 50 moving average here, struggling. Gold also trying to stay above the moving average. NASDAQ again stuck in this range. Very aggressive open today. Euro USD, Tesla again showing some moves. Bitcoin coming up to test the moving average now. Let's see what happens. So a lot of moving averages are here. All of them are here actually. So might be a little difficult to cross this. Again, NASDAQ is stuck now. Let's see what is happening. Let's draw this. Let's draw this. Okay. This actually is sort of a bull flag if you look at this. So there might be some chance of a breakout towards the upside. But for now, like I mentioned, that we are hoping that market will try to come down, maybe close the gap a little bit, and that is the point where we will try to catch some profit. As time is passing, these moving averages will come up also, hence I have tried to place the take profit over here. This is just below 11,100 level, so let's see. Oil is showing some moves, finally trying to test the moving averages, so let's see. Let's take a look at Tesla. Nope, again $120 was the mark from where it got rejected. Okay, so we are seeing some rejection for the dollar index from the moving average itself. Okay, now we have some momentum, like it's a big red candle hook. So Let's see if we can continue this move downwards or not. We are hoping to reach this point over here, which is 11098 roughly. But yeah, this week is quite important given that CPI data will be released today or on Thursday, sorry. So this has happened before also. Market tries to pump till Thursday, and that is when the data is announced. Then we start seeing big draws, big sell-off happen that time. The big money takes their profit, tries to liquidate people. So that can happen again. Oil again coming up to the moving averages, not able to cross them. Dollar index trying to pump again towards the moving average. Okay, now it is trying to get out of this channel. Interesting move. We are seeing quite the pump. $11,163, so we are at the high of the day. So like I was saying that some like a mini bull flag pattern is forming, and this might come outside and pump from here. So we are seeing that pump, but let's see overall. 11,200 can happen today, like I mentioned before, because overall they will try to take this to 11,500 in this week itself. So you are seeing the continuation of the momentum, but you can see what is happening here. There is a higher high on the price, and look at the RSI. So there is a bearish divergence forming. So might be worth opening another one, but let's see. Maybe we go 11,200, and that would be the time. Oil stuck at the moving average. Tesla also trying to pump. Let's see where it gets rejected. Continuing upwards, 11,180. 11,200 might be a nice number, a whole number to take a trade over here. Let's see gold showing some movement, trying to go 1880 again. Yeah, 1185. We are seeing that push towards 11,200. So we should just keep one open there in case we reach. If we reach there, our trade will be open. Imran Khan, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam, brother. How are you? What about Gala coin crypto? Gala, yeah, Gala coin pumped a lot recently. Let's check it. Let's take a look. Gala, huge pump on Gala recently. Let's go 4 hour. So look at where the RSI is. Look at this 87.6. So it's a crazy pump happened already on Gala. You can see this has happened previously also. 1 minute, let me Let me go here. Look at this. Pump here and then drop again. Then from here pump again, drop. So same thing is happening. Pump again, then there might be a drop again. Even here, look at this. Pump here and then drop. So this is a behavior that this coin has got. So we might expect the same to happen like it is happening right now. Even on the daily chart, if we look at the daily chart, even the daily chart is saying 87.3 RSI. So you can see how aggressive the pump has been. Yeah, 0.05 next level if they're able to reach there, because it's already a lot of move has happened already. Yeah, dollar index going down. Okay, now we are reaching 11,200 almost, which I was mentioning before. Gold, yeah, again getting rejected from 1881. Oil not much. Euro USD, Tesla also pumping. Bitcoin trying to get above the moving average. Okay, so this is the area of interest. This is a good area. 103.18 roughly. Somewhere here. Yeah. Have we reached? Yeah, we have reached 11,200. Let's go back to the dollar index. Continuous drop we are seeing on the dollar index. A lot of pressure on the dollar index itself. Let's see, we are hoping for a bit more drop, and that should be good for us. It's possible silver will give good profit this year. Silver has pumped a lot already. If you look over here, 4 hour, just this pump recently from here till here is how much? 35% is already pumped. 35%, so a very significant pump has happened already on silver. It can go to 25 roughly. That is possible. If we see gold going above 1900, then yes. Now we are seeing the dollar index reaching our zone. Nice move we are seeing. What about this one? It's still pumping. So 11,210 already today. So yeah, again very much possible to see 11,500 on the NASDAQ before Thursday, and that is when they might try to dump the market. Let's check oil. Okay, not much on oil. Starting to struggle near the moving averages. Okay, we are seeing a break on the Euro USD, dollar index continuing downwards. So overall we can see very nice upward movement happening on the NASDAQ. So let's try another one here till here. Gold pumping also. So yeah, dollar index has reached this area of interest. So let's see if we are able to see a nice pump here. Not actually like a big pump or something, but just test the moving average here. That's all we are looking for. This is the point where we have placed the take profit. So yeah, Bitcoin 17251, US oil, gold. But yeah, overall you can see recently we've seen a very nice pump. From this point till this point is how much? Roughly 4.7%. So nice move on the NASDAQ after being oversold for some days. We are seeing nice movement. Oil trying to pass $76. NASDAQ trying to hold 11,200. Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla's coming. Yeah, how much? $121. So yeah, look at this, higher high, lower high on the RSI. So some bearish divergence is forming on Tesla, but this has shown some real good pump recently. From here till here is how much now? 18%. 18% in how much? 3 days and 2 hours. So nice move over here. Dollar index trying to stay above 103.1. Okay, now oil is above 76.3. So we can see that this area here is interesting. A lot of rejection in this area. So it is possible that we might see the same behavior. This is around 76.5 roughly. TXY trying to pick up from this mark. Even for Bitcoin we can see this above 275, 17,275, this area here. Above this we are seeing rejections. So let's see when price goes there, how does it react. We are seeing some correction happen here, but again very small movement. It's not a big move. So something of this sort can happen again, some consolidation, and then we see a breakout. The dollar index showing some move. Now getting rejected from this point. This was previous support, so it is finding some resistance in this area. Yeah, still trying to pump more towards 76.5. This is oil. TXY. Trying to cross this level, which was support previously, 103.19. So it is trying to cross that level. Let's see, Euro USD. Yeah, lot of pump happening. This also, how much is this? 2.3% in roughly 4 days roughly. Gold, US oil. Now we are seeing that price is trying to go in this region, 76.5 region. Let's see how far will it go, because overall we have seen a very nice pump happen recently. It's roughly 4% in like 3 days. Tesla trying to cross 122. Look at this, very aggressive action. Might be worth taking a chance here, somewhere here. Yeah, we are seeing that push continue on the NASDAQ. Now testing 76.5. Yeah, again might be worth taking a chance here, just towards the moving averages here, not much. Let's see what happens. Again getting rejected from this point, so this area here. Bitcoin also showing some move, trying to go towards 275, 280, trying to follow NASDAQ over here. Continuing upwards. Dollar index still facing resistance. $76.69. Aggressive pump on oil. $279 on Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see if it gets rejected from this range or not. This area here. Gold not showing much movement. Gold is stuck. Again continuing upwards, trying to target 11,250. So we are seeing some divergence happen over here. Price is making lower low, but the RSI is making higher low. So some divergence is happening. If we start seeing this pump here, then yes, this will start coming down. Now showing some rejection. Yeah. So we can see some rejection happen on oil right now from 76.5. We are hoping that we might go towards the moving averages, which are around $76. So that by that time it will hit our take profit. Let's see. Yeah, continuing downwards, good for us. Tesla is stuck in this range. We are seeing a pullback happen from 76.25. This has closed in the red. Yeah, it is trying to pump from 76.25. Let's see if we are able to get rejected again from this range. Tesla showing some rejection happen. So we can see 17300 straight away getting rejected from this number. Yeah, market is trying to stay above 11200. Again, we are seeing some rejection happen on oil. So yeah guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. So I'll just leave these trades open and then you'll see what happens. Until then, once again, just a reminder that if you are planning to trade actively, you can see how volatile the markets are. Every day, every minute, there is extreme volatility in the market. So yeah, please use proper risk management. Otherwise, you should not be trading. Learn risk management first and then try to do trading. So yeah, hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care.